this large white carpet, urine everywhere, pet treatment. My co-oxy did not get to me on time, right? Which I'm very angry about. Disappointed because we have to improvise, right? You run out and you're in an emergency, just that Sally's Beauty Supply, this will get you out of a bind, this peroxide, all right? It doesn't have the stabilizers, does the job. Trust me, I ran my business for years before I really got into, chemistry, using that to treat organic. And of course, safe side, carpet details, so it's a green Rhino cocktail. What a difference. Beautiful. All right, guys, you see, green Rhino cocktail never misses. Customer was super happy, and ended up walking in there for a $400 job, ended up being $760. I had to tally it up, but she's super happy, and we'll be back in 9 months. See you in the next one.